currently 6:50. I just ended the last vlog. I'm about to head out to my boy Frank's crib, as I said earlier, and we're gonna fix his whip. So by what I've seen from Snapchat, apparently my boy has an exhaust system that he's gonna install in his car. So I'm gonna be there to witness it, filming. You already know. We got a block to go. Damn, I went a block too far. What up, bro? Hey, look at them glasses though. Hold up, I gotta change my eyes so. Okay, bye. Yeah, what up, bro? Yep. Is that Harold right there or Brian? Harold. Look at this license plate though. Yo, so what we gotta do here, Frank?
That's the diameters we're about to do.
Huh?
Well, we just took off the old muffler system,
the what?
as you can see.
This is the old exhaust system?
Yeah, it's from the,
Damn.
cat all the way back.
This
so
shit's crusty. I know
and
nothing about this.
The trunk.
Oh, that's the new one?
That's the new system. So we ran into some problems. We're about to fix this.
This shit looking clean. What we got under the hood?
I'm gonna put him onto the two-step.
I don't know what the fuck the two-step is, but we're gonna hear it. Oh, that's the two-step? Oh, what? That shit sounds official! That's two-step. Teamwork at its finest. Drill bits, personal drill. Yo, put that Bluetooth on. You want one?
I'm good, bro. When you putting it in the glass? Soon. That's why I was like, yo, I'm about to cut on my muffler right now. These cars are valid.
I think it's the RX-7. Yo, hurry up.
Yo, what up?
We out here.
Yep.
It's stupid breaking. Oh, yo, what kind of flavor juice is that, Frank?
Grape.
Let me see. The vape life. Not about it. You can have that back.
Yeah, pass that. You ain't about that.
Let me see that clout. Don't choke.
Oh, what is
Hey.
I'm the man, ho. The man.
No, you're not. No light. Ta-da! Let there be light. I'm gonna hold this. So we're taking out the new muffler with exhaust system. There you go. That's the word I was looking for. How? All we got is this small ass light. Yo, where you at, Frank? Oh shit, you disappeared on me. I'll make sure everything lit. Literally. Hey. Wow, nice catch, Frank.
Thanks, bro. Got that, Phil?
Yeah. Under the car you go, boy.
Yeah. Phone down.
Yo, that shit looks so fire, B. You already cut it off?
Yeah, that shit's burning right here.
Oh, wow.
Yo, that shit was catching fire.
My boy Pedro pulled up to the scene. What up, bro? Damn, your man warm, Pedro. Oh, what is this piece right here?
The mid pipe.
The mid pipe?
Okay, I need tools now.
I said what you're installing there.
500 horsepower.
500 horsepower.
Ah, look at my finger.
I feel like this already got my hands dirty.
When we're going lower, I see a lot of potential over here. I see a lot of...
What you trying to do right there, Frank?
I'm mounting the exhaust.
This one's already mounted. You can't really see it. Yo, let me see that light.
No. Oh! The car up so it could be nice and warm.
You're fucking funny, nigga.
You laughed, fuck.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Manager over there tight.
It takes 3 niggas to get an exhaust up.
It's just tight as fuck.
New exhaust? Old exhaust. Yo, how long did that take, Frank?
Very long time. And it's cool. You could get $5 for it at the junkyard car. It's aluminum, right?
No, this shit is heavy as fuck. It's like,
Regular cast iron.
yeah.
Probably. Wait.
This is the end of the video, guys. Congratulations to my boy Harold for getting a new exhaust. I'm gonna go to bed now because it is currently 1:10 in the morning and I have work at 8 this morning, so I gotta go to bed. I'm gonna finish uploading this video real quick. Don't forget to like, comment, favorite, subscribe. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm out. Peace.